Guys, my name is Ailethia Craig, and I'll be showing you guys how to solve exponential and log equations. All you're going to need is a scientific calculator and a pencil. The problem that we're doing is 3 to the 7x equals 120. So, first, now we're going to do, rewrite our equation with a common base log, which is base 10. So we're going to rewrite our equation as log 3 to the 7x equals log of 120. Now we look at our equation to see what log property are we using. We see that our 3 is being raised to the 7x. So whenever you have a number being raised to a power, your power always goes in front of your log. So we're going to write our equation as 7x log of 3 equals the log of 120. So now since we rewrote our equation, we have to see what can we divide to get x by itself. We see that the 7 is being multiplied by the x in the log of 3, so we must divide by the 7 in the log of 3. So you write the equation as 7 times log of 3. And whenever you do to one side, you must do to the other side. So write 7 as log of 3. So the reason why we wrote that is because once we divide by 7, that gives us a 1. And once we divide by the log of 3, that gives us a 1, which gives us our x by itself. So we write the equation as x equals the log of 120 over 7 times the log of 3. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get the log of 120 and get the log of 3 times 7. So we get our scientific calculators. And what we're going to do, with scientific calculators, they have the little log button. So all we have to do is press log and it gives us a log of a number. So do log of 120, close the parentheses so that you can get the right number. So now you get the log of 120 is 2.079. And now we're going to get the log of 3 times 7. So with the calculator, all you do is 7 times log of 3, close parentheses, and you get 3.339. So since you have an 8 here, I would just round out to 40. So you get 3.340. So now that we have the log of 120 and the log of 3 times 7, we just divide. So now we go 2.079 divided by 3.340. Our x equals 0.62245. But in the math book, it wants us to round to the nearest 10,000ths. So since we have a 5 here, our right answer would just be x equals 0.6225, because the 5 bumps up our 4 to a 5. And that's how we solve our exponential equation. So all you have to remember is the first step is rewriting our equation with a common base log, which we did here. Figure out what log property we're using, which we end up using a power. So whenever you have a power, always remember your power goes in front of the log. And after that, you figure out what can we do to get x by itself. So we divided by our 7 in the log of 3 to get x by itself. And then once you do that, rewrite your equation. So then you can get the log of 120 and the log of another number, and then just divide. And that's your answer. And that's how you solve the equation.